Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship, the go-to space for navigating the intricate world of relationships. Today, we're diving into a topic that many have asked for, the art of connecting and, well, how to get girls. Before we jump into this, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing that notification bell. Now, let's unravel the secrets of building meaningful connections with the wonderful women in our lives. 1. Understanding respectful approach. Alright, let's start with the foundation, a respectful approach. Connecting with girls isn't about fancy tricks, it's about genuine respect. Treat every individual as an equal. Listen actively, and show authentic interest in getting to know them. Remember, respect sets the stage for a connection that's based on understanding and appreciation. 2. Cultivating confidence. Confidence is like a magnetic force, and cultivating it is key. It's not about being overly flashy, it's about being comfortable in your own skin. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with assurance. Confidence is that subtle ingredient that paves the way for meaningful connections, creating an atmosphere of trust and authenticity. 3. The power of authenticity. Now, let's talk about authenticity, your secret weapon. Embrace who you are, quirks and all. Share your genuine interests and open up about your own story. Authenticity is the magic that creates connections that are not only real, but lasting. Remember, being yourself is far more appealing than putting on any kind of facade. 4. Effective communication skills. Communication is the heartbeat of connection. It involves active listening, clear expression, and paying attention to nonverbal cues. Mastering the art of conversation allows you to connect on a deeper level, where it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. 5. Finding common ground. Building connections is like building bridges, and finding common ground is the bridge itself. Discover shared interests, hobbies, or experiences. It could be anything from a favorite book to a shared passion for hiking. Establishing common ground provides a natural foundation for building a connection that goes beyond surface-level interactions. 6. Navigating rejection. Let's address the elephant in the room, rejection. It's a part of life for everyone. The key is to handle it with grace and resilience. Don't let rejection define your worth. Learn from the experience, grow, and remember that the right connection will happen when the time is right. 7. The role of humor. Humor is a universal language. A well-timed joke or a shared laugh can break the ice and create a comfortable atmosphere. Humor lightens the mood, making the connection more enjoyable. Just be yourself, and let your natural sense of humor shine through. 8. Balancing compliments. Compliments are powerful when used sincerely and in moderation. Balance is key. A thoughtful compliment shows you're paying attention and genuinely appreciate the unique qualities that make her who she is. 9. Respecting boundaries. Respecting boundaries is non-negotiable. Every person has their comfort zones, and it's essential to recognize and respect them. Consent and clear communication create an environment where connections can flourish organically. 10. Building emotional connection. Beyond the surface, focus on building an emotional connection. Share your thoughts, dreams, and feelings. Encourage her to express herself. Emotional connection forms the basis of a strong and enduring bond. 11. The art of patience. Patience is a virtue in the journey of connection. Relationships take time to develop, and pushing for quick results may backfire. Allow the connection to evolve naturally. Patience is an investment in the depth and authenticity of your connection. 12. Personal growth and development. Continual personal growth is attractive. Work on becoming the best version of yourself. Pursue your goals, embrace new experiences, and demonstrate a commitment to self-improvement. A person dedicated to personal growth is inherently appealing. 13. Genuine interest in her life. Show genuine interest in her life. Ask about her passions, dreams, and experiences. A person who takes the time to understand and appreciate the nuances of another's life builds a connection that transcends the ordinary. 14. Acts of kindness. Acts of kindness leave a lasting impression. Whether it's a small gesture or a thoughtful action, kindness creates a positive association. Small acts of kindness demonstrate your consideration and add warmth to the connection. 15. Shared experiences. Create shared experiences. Whether it's trying a new activity together or embarking on an adventure, shared experiences create lasting memories. These shared moments become the building blocks of a strong connection. 16. Learning from experience. Every interaction is a learning opportunity. Reflect on your experiences, identify areas for improvement, and celebrate the successes. Learning from your interactions is an ongoing process that contributes to your growth as a person. 17. Being open and vulnerable. Authentic connections thrive on openness and vulnerability. Be willing to share your thoughts, fears, and aspirations. Being vulnerable fosters a deeper understanding and allows the connection to reach profound levels. 18. Demonstrating reliability. Reliability is a cornerstone of trust. Demonstrate that you're dependable and true to your word. When you consistently show up and follow through, it builds a foundation of trust that strengthens the connection. 19. Encouraging her goals. Encourage her goals and aspirations. A supportive partner who genuinely cheers for the success of the other person fosters a connection that's based on mutual respect and admiration. 20. Embracing individuality. Lastly, embrace individuality. Celebrate the unique qualities that make both of you who you are. A connection that allows for individual growth while nurturing shared experiences is one that stands the test of time. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to connect with and get to know amazing women. If you found these insights valuable, show some love by hitting the like button, sharing your thoughts in the comments, and subscribing for more content on navigating relationships. Until next time, may your connections be meaningful and your journey in love extraordinary. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for more insights on building meaningful connections. Until next time, take care.